far, we've looked at the drum beat, the bass line, and the chords. And the final element of the track that we're going to look at is the melody. Now, the melody is often the main focus of the tune, and it's the part that sticks in your head. We've got the freedom to add more notes in the melody, and we're going to build our one out of the A minor scale. So we're going to start off by learning this scale, and the notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now remember, if you're playing an instrument in a different key, these notes are going to be different for you. There will be an accompanying sheet to show you what notes you want to play. So we're going to try playing this along with the hi-hat. We're just going to loop it round and round, and you can pause it and go back until you've got this sound in your head. Then we're going to build our own tune. Okay, you want to play it as well? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to try playing this scale over the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. So now we're going to build a melody out of the notes from this scale. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start off by playing this really slowly. At first, try and learn this by ear, but we've got an accompanying sheet to help you with it if you need. And remember, again, if your instrument is in a different key, your notes are going to be different, and that will be written down for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to try bringing this melody up to speed with the band. Remember, you can go back and rewind that, keep practicing it until you've got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you've got each part that you need to make a simple tune. The drums, the bass, the chords, and the melody. We're now going to play this, building it up with each part, and then we're just going to play around with it and show you where you could go. All right, let's start off with the drums.